Carl Waddington, president of VIBCO Vibrators, and I want to tell you about the Northeast Lean Conference that's going on October 10th through the 11th. It's at the Rhode Island Convention Center in Providence, Rhode Island. It is by far one of the best lean events that you can go to. If you are not there, you are not doing justice to your organization and to your people, right? So the conference this year is going to have some great talent there. They're going to have Ori Fumi from Wire Mold. They're going to have my friend Jim Lancaster from Landtech. They've been doing lean for 30 plus years. Jim is an outstanding leader. You've got to go check it out. We're going to have people from New Balance, and of course, Bruce Hamilton, the Toast Guy. The Toast Guy, if you don't know Bruce Hamilton, the Toast Guy, it's worth the admission to go and see him. It's 2 days of talks, idea exchange, and information, right? So you really want to make sure that you sign up. There's still room available for this, and it's a great opportunity for you to learn with your team. And this year's event is Profit from Lean. It's looking at all the things that we potentially leave on the table and don't maximize on it. Profit for your stakeholders, profit for your people that work for you, and profit for your customers. So please come and join me in Providence, October 10th and 11th. We'll see you there. Thanks.